I wonder how fast he's going.
Set this down and we'll bring out. 24.
24. Holy crap, he just started, so no wonder he's going this slow. Wow, it's just a grain train.
Yeah.
It mostly has Sun Energy cars, not even any Union Pacific hoppers. It's rare to see this.
Aren't all these gray ones Union Pacific?
No, they aren't Union Pacifics. They're TLKX. Sage, it says on that. Iowa 119, it said. Alright, we want to see how fast he's going. 24. He only increased it 1 and that's it. I don't know how long he is. We don't even see the end down there. Man, that grain train is massive. There's another engine down there. Holy crap.
That's the end.
Yep. He's slowing down real slow. Now he's only doing 20. The top speed he was going was 24.
Yeah.
Let's see what the number of that engine is. 7315. Wow. How many cars?
100.